the big stuff. And then, oh, you see that sky high thing? That is like a rocket. And come here. This is $400. Like literally, just for these, $400. And this is 200. And this is $400 too. And let's play this one. It's really expensive here. So yeah. And this is 200. This is 250, but that is 230. So you see a big difference here. And for some reason, there's like this thing called the Bermuda Triangle. It's really shiny and it's triangle. And this is a thing called Belief. It's like this alien shiny thing that shoots. It's 36 shots. This is something, it's called Out for Blood. It does 30 shots and it looks like this. And look at this. Look how big it is. This is $1,000. I don't know if anyone will get it, but it's $1,000 now. And yeah, if you can ask your parents to buy it, but yeah, I think they will say no. It's too expensive. And this whole thing is one pack. It's 3, 2, 1 set. This is like this ammo box. It's like this ammo crates. It's $100. And 3, 2, 1 set. And you can give it for a gift, maybe. Yeah. Look here. So this is the colors. It looks cool, but I don't know about the blue one, so it doesn't show the blue one. Look, there's rockets. This is $4. And come here. And this is $30. It's really big, see? And these are smoke balls. See? Come here. This is just Kevin toy. This toy, but it's a thing. Sorry, Kevin, but if someone uses you, you're gonna be so cool. And this is a gun. And it's only $5, but it's really hard to make it stand. See? It's really hard. And then this is just a small fire. Come here. Let's see some more. And this is something called Koi Pond. This is this ice cream thing. It's only $22. And then we go to the car and look at the stuff we got. And then yeah, let's go to our car. So just watch this. I'll put this in my pocket and watch. See? It's really good for these. And these are the 3 things we got. We got some other stuff. And then yeah, we even got the color for